Okay, Pádraig, you can do a U-turn whenever you're ready, please. That's fine. Okay, I'd like you to do a low speed ride now for me here, Pádraig, if you can. You can start whenever you're ready. Okay, you can pull over and stop on your left now for me, please. Good. I'd like you to secure your machine for a minute. Just switch your machine off for 1 second, please. Now, I'd like you to ask your hand signals, if you don't mind, for turning right, please. Okay, for slowing down or stopping, and for turning left, and for going straight ahead. Thanks, Pádraig. That was a very good demonstration there. Thank you very much. Thanks.